Today we're gonna be going on a little exploration. I heard that there was like a bike park or jumps or something, or a pass, whatever, man, in these woods over here. So we're just gonna go check that out and see where that goes. There's an entrance somewhere on this side or the other. Yeah, I see. There it is. Let's get it. That was crazy, yo. The R pass, yo. This is sick. Whew. Yo, man, it's getting warm out here, so I had to put my hoodie in my bag real quick. This is crazy. I didn't think that there were trails like this over here, but someone said jumps. So we're gonna keep digging around until we find these dirt jumps. I'm not sure really where to go. We could go left or we could go right. We're gonna go left and see where that goes. Oh. You know what? I don't think they're here. Let's turn back. Let's turn back. This looks like we're going out. We want to go in. Oh, traction control. Not gonna lie, best feature on this. Oh, whoa, whoa. Yo, those rocks sent me, man. Yo, those rocks sent me. Woo! Yo, note to self, watch out for rocks. Still pretty sick. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I think I got a flat. I think I got a flat.
Oh, no.
Oh, no, I got a flat. That's why we carry the pump, baby. So we might have just lost some. These woods are deep. There's so many drops. This is intense. It's really rocky. Got so many big loose stones. It's still pretty sick. I'm really enjoying this. This is tight. Whoa. What? Man, I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea where these are. We found it. We found the secret park. I'm not gonna ride these. For one, they're not my ramps. Two, they weren't made with this in mind. Three, I don't know who built these, and if I do a huge ding or a dig and I mess it all up, I mean, they're gonna be pretty upset. Let's check this shit out because this looks so sick. Shit. Yo. Yeah, is that a step up? That's a step up. Got some berms over here. Oh my goodness. Yo, that's crazy. These guys did such a good job. Oh, what is that? Is that like a dirt bike? Dirt bike tracks or something? Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Why not? Why not, right? A dirt bike already hit this. Yo, let's go. Yo, I went to flat. Holy shit. Whew. All right, y'all, that was crazy fun. Oh, it's a bird. Let's see if we can navigate our way out of here, though. This is it's gonna be a maze. Oh. There we go. Oh, branch. And I ended where we started, I guess. That was a sick little adventure, some sick dirt jumps. Man, that was awesome. Can't wait till next time. And until then, peace.